I'm gonna do part two of our garden tour. I forgot to mention on the first one, our outdoor garden slash outdoor shower. I'm gonna put a corrugated metal roof up there and put some drainage, rain gutters, and to direct it directly to our totes. Let me show you the totes. Oh, I went ahead and planted the other fig right on the ground. Here's the other one. Here it is, our water tote. So when it rains with the downspout, it's gonna go directly and fill this up. So yeah, that's gonna be our plan. So let's go back there. I'm taking advantage of the filming today because there's not that much wind, so it's good to film. I think I already showed you guys this. This is our Lang jujube. It's tall. But yeah, I planted more. Oh my gosh, what's the name of this again? Palo Verde. Oh yeah, I need to clear those. Those has been there for a while. Clean it up. Yeah, I got some agave. Oh, don't mind that. Our empty pond. Mulberry right there. Our pines. Yep. Pine trees. I think this one's still alive. This is pomegranate. Yeah, they're still hanging on. So I want to go ahead and collect the fruits on that and do a taste test. And more agave. The mulberry there died. And more here. This is pomegranate. I think still alive. Is the mulberry still alive? Take a look. Yeah, the top part of it died. But yeah, there's a new growth right here in the bottom area. So we'll let that grow. I think this one's dead. More agave. Here's pomegranate. I think still alive. We'll see. More agave. Here's our persimmon. Our persimmon tree. For sure, this one's gonna fruit this year. This one, when I bought it last year, there's fruits on it. So yeah, can't wait. Yeah, put a lot of collected a lot of mulch, dry grass, leaves, twigs. That's gonna be to protect it, and also retain the moisture. And we're gonna go here in the back area, other side. I had a garden here before, didn't make it. That's a failure, but yeah, that's why we do things here, and whatever works. Then we go to plan B. Here's our persimmons. The other persimmon, we got total of 5. Hasn't sprouted yet. I'm gonna put more persimmons right here later on, but I want to get more apricot for now. Here's our poplar. Hasn't awakened yet. Here's the other mulberry. I put a lot of prickly pear cuttings right there. Yeah, see, I put a lot of twigs, branches, mulch, dry grass everywhere right here on the side, and put a lot of holes so when it rains the water will sink in, make this area fertile. Willow right here, put it in the ground. Here's a Siberian elm. It looks like it needs watering. Here's willow. Somehow it's surviving here in this area because I think there's a lot of moisture here, like what I said. I think what we're doing, it's helping retaining the moisture underground. Oh guys, look, this is our a friend of mine gave this. He lives here in the high desert. This is oak tree. Yeah, see all this new growth? Those are new growth. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, more holes, more mulch. Willow. Another poplar. I love poplars. And more poplars right here. More holes, more mulch. Here's our desert pine. Take a look, guys. Look. It's working. So it's retaining moisture here. Look what I did. I put more branches there. Dead trees. Yeah. And here I put in the ground. Look, those are some new growth. That's a mesquite from cuttings. Yeah, more holes right here. Siberian elm. Look, I'm putting all this mulch right here. All these twigs. Desert pine. Poplar. You guys can tell I like poplars. So yeah, here more of the desert pine. Look, it's that area. Oh, that's our composting area. We just dump stuff there, food scrap, whatever, mix it in. So later on we're gonna use those soil. Oh, I think I missed something here. I got the another persimmon right here. Yeah, look, it's already budding out. Let's go here. Here's the other persimmon. Yeah, it has leaves already. And here's the other persimmon. I think this is the first one I bought. Yeah, so from last year. This is all from last year. So you got new growth. Yeah, I got more from seedlings that I grew. The oh my gosh, keep on forgetting stuff. Okay, here you go. This one has a dieback, but it's growing again. Here's the side area. I need to put more plants here. Poplar. Poplars. Yeah, I need to clean this area up. A lot of dog waste. So we put some prickly pear cuttings right there. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna grow any more Bing cherries. I love Bing cherries, but somehow they don't make it. I did everything. Look, all those mulch that I put there, didn't make it. It died. I got maybe 2 or 3 that died on me. So yeah, another poplar right here. And here, gotta put some posts there later on, enclosed our living space. Yeah, this is a plum, I believe. Yeah, I think this is a plum. We'll see. Hopefully it'll bear fruit. This is from seeds, I think. What is this? Plum or nectarine, something like that. The desert pine here died. It died. So here we got more poplars. I put more of the prickly pear cuttings right here on the side. And you guys look, I did that as a cover. I'm gonna grab that too, put it here, because the sun is from northeast south. It's very hot. Give it a little protection. Yeah, this peach is struggling, so hopefully it'll make it. We'll see. This is another poplar. Look like the top died, but look, the bottom, it's growing back. Here's our big, oh my gosh, guys, I need your help. What is this again? I'll put it on the description right now. Yeah, look, it has died back before. Cut it down, so this has multiple trunks now. Used to be branches, but I sticked it up and now are multiple trunks. Beautiful. It bears a lot of seeds that we can grow again. Oh, look at this. Look at the fruits now. This is the nectarine, guys. Nectarine. This is the one that has a lot of flowers. Pink flowers. Oh wow, we're gonna have a lot of fruits this year. Yay. Let's go over here. As you guys can see, that's my mother poplar. It's so beautiful, guys. And when it gets windy, you hear that? That's the kind of sound it makes. It's very soothing. I love this tree. But yeah, you got prickly pear. I can't remember what kind of tree this is, but it flowers. It grows big as well. Prickly pear that rodents ate, but it's growing back. And I'm gonna plant this on the ground. Our olive tree, that's the one that fruited a lot. If you guys look at the previous video, we got a lot of fruits on this one. We processed it, ate it. Yeah, it's a long process. That's why it's expensive. I mean the fruits, you know, it's a long process. But I'm probably gonna plant this maybe next week or in a month from now. I'm trying to make sure nothing eats it, no rodents or whatever. Yep, so we'll leave that there for now. But you guys can see, look, it's gonna bear a lot of fruits again. A lot of fruits. It's everywhere. See, look, those are the fruits. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Pause. That's the other Bing cherry that didn't make it. So sad. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna survive. I'm not gonna mention anything about that. And this my coworker gave me. Look all those growth. Yeah, didn't have that when I got it. Look like it's gonna die. Dig the hole here, put it in the ground, leave it, watered it. Look, yeah, I think it's a privet. They call it privet. So that's evergreen. More prickly pear cuttings. Yeah, we got desert pine right here. More prickly pear. And I think that's it. We'll do the other one. It's not going to be like a garden tour, but maybe outside our living space area. I got a few trees there as well, and I'll show you guys what the plants are. Yeah, but this is the poplar. Look, I got another tree there. Yeah, so guys, that's it. So part 2 of our garden tour. Hopefully by next year it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna collect more of this creosote. Oh, I forgot about this one. This is the mulberry that I thought was gonna die, but made it. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. It's Romy from Dalisay Orchard.